Kirindi giki kia Kenya gikuyumiritie kiharo-ini gia Kamukunji guku Nairobi na mwihoko wa kuigua kana Azimio iri na mubango ungiteithiriria kuhuthia ngarama ya muturire. Mucemanio uyu utafanitio thiku imwe tu thutha wa President William Ruto gwikira thairi watho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2023 na 2024 na kuhingura mweke wa Kenya kuongererwo magoti matiganite, na Azimio riu niyaniriire ati ndigukinyukithia thirikari thi, makiuga watho uyu mweru ukite kuongerera murigo cianda-ini cia Kenya.
Badala ya kuwapunguzia ninyi watu wa chini, amepunguzia mabwenyenye wenzake wale wako na mahelikopta, amewaondolea 16% tax.
Tuliambia chuma imechoka, wamekataa, wamezidi kuweka mzigo juu ya punda. Sasa punda itawapiga teke.
Mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya Azimio Raila Odinga riu nianiriire maundu matanyihiire matandatu maria makwambiriria kuhanika ma kung'ethanira na thirikari, na muoroto munene ni tariki 7 mweri wa 7 riria ngwataniro eno yugite ni kaheana mubango wa mirurungano guothe bururi-ini.
We have to stop Ruto, and we have to stop it. We have to do it now. We must tell Ruto in no uncertain terms that he has stolen enough for the owners to notice, and he has no more room for stealing the wishes of the people.
On the 7th day of July, Sabasaba Day 2023, which event will unveil a program for nationwide civil disobedience to force the Kenya regime home.
Raila ningi nioritie Kenya kung'athiria kuriha magoti macio, guku akiuria andikani kwaga kurenga aruti wira ao magoti maria mendekithitio thiini wa watho wa kigina.
From today, we embark on a campaign of defiance and civil disobedience, which will take different forms at different times.
Let us embrace tax boycotts. Let us deny Ruto the fuel. Let us deny Ruto the fuel tax by limiting consumption of petrol and diesel.
Magoti maria Azimio ironekana kwaga kuiganira namo ni ma maguta hamwe na manyumba, na Azimio yugite ni ageretie gucenjia icunjĩ icio mbere ya cihetũkĩtio, no abunge a Azimio makiatĩrĩrio ni Kenya Kwanza na ũingĩ wa ithabu rĩao, na rĩu Azimio ni heanĩte mĩkana ya kũngania thairi kuma kũrĩ Kenya nĩguo kweheria amwe a atongoria arĩa marathiganire Kenya.
Embark on a mass signature collection to signal the withdrawal of a sovereignty from officials of this illegitimate regime, including Mr. William Ruto and all elected leaders who supported the Finance Bill 2023.
We must fight. We are going to fight everywhere and anywhere until the Finance Act is repealed.
Atongoria Azimio ni mokireire wathani wa Ruto makiuga ni utuikite wa kuiyoterwo, undu uria atongoria aya maugite uria yumiria uria thirikari itarathikiriria mateta ma Kenya na ninge kung'ethanira na nyumba cia mohoro. Ine Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gojiri.